Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record the location of our TOZO OpenEgo through the TOZO app. So the first thing that we need to do is of course download the TOZO app, which can be downloaded through Play Store or the Apple Store or something similar to that. Once you have it on your phone, you will need to create an account and of course add the TOZO OpenEgo headphones in the app. I'm gonna open them now in order to connect with the app. Let's tap over here just to make sure. And if you want to record the location, what we need to do is go to My TOZO. And then over here, let's go to Setting. And here we have the option record the location of the earbuds. So after turning on, the user, which is us, of course, we will need to authorize the permission. So let's turn this on and then let's tap confirm. We should open the settings of the app. So I'm gonna go to app permission. And of course, now these steps may vary depending on your smartphone. But essentially what you need to do is grant the location permission for the app. So I'm gonna allow all the time. And of course, in my case, I can also use the precise location, which I want to do that. And after we do that, we can simply go back to the app. And now we should keep the location recorded. The location will be visible in the home section below the title of or the model name of the headphones. So whenever you lose them, let's say they are just in a completely different place, then this is how you can check the location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.